Hi everybody! First of all, today we'll talk about the AW-169M helicopter that always more insistent rumors say that it will be the machine taking the place of many light helicopters in the Italian army. Secondly, I would like to ask for your help translating this video in other languages. You can do so by clicking on the options on the right lower corner of the video, select subtitles and add subtitles. This would help me immensely in the making of these videos. The machine created by Leonardo is in the 5 tons category and has low maintenance and operating costs, with the possibility of taking on different types of missions. The helicopter could be used in a variety of applications, like troop transport, special forces insertion extraction, command and control, utility, search and rescue, combat search and rescue, surveillance, medical evacuation, casualty evacuation and fire support. The aircraft can be customized with different roll-on, roll-off equipment like internal carried 12.7mm door guns or 2 pintles mounted 7.62mm machine guns, external mounted 7.62mm 12.7mm machine guns, unguided rockets and or air-to-ground missiles. It can be fitted also with a defensive AIDS suit and modular ballistic protection for both the cockpit and the cabin. The main point that is fueling up the rumors around the acquisition of such aircraft from the Italian army would be the fact that in the latest DPP it stated that the army is looking for a new multi-role machine to take the place of many aging light helicopters still in service. A part of this was already substituted by the NH-90, but this excellent aircraft falls into the category of 10 tons, making it bigger, more expensive than its predecessors. So, the only light multi-role helicopter bought recently by the Italian armed forces are the 22 AW-169M for the Guardia di Finanza. This led many to believe that it will be the next aircraft for the Italian army.